Have you ever dreamed of winning the lottery? Of course you have. Most of us picture that one big moment, holding the golden ticket that instantly changes our lives. We imagine paying off all our bills, buying a dream home, traveling the world, and never worrying about money again. But here's a question most of us never ask. Did you know that more than 70% of lottery winners end up broke within 7 years? That might sound shocking, but it's true. Despite suddenly becoming millionaires, they often find themselves back to square one, and sometimes in an even worse financial state than before. The big question is, how does this happen? Isn't winning the lottery supposed to solve all your money problems? This surprising statistic points to something deeper, a mindset that goes beyond just buying a lotto ticket. It's what I like to call the lottery mindset. It's not just about playing the numbers. It's about believing you can get rich fast through sheer luck or some magical shortcut. Today, we're going to explore why this mindset actually keeps you broke, why so many of us are addicted to the idea of quick riches, and, most importantly, how you can break free from it once and for all. Stick around till the end, because if you truly take this message to heart, you'll never look at get-rich-quick promises the same way again. Instead, you'll discover a more solid path to real wealth, one that doesn't rely on luck, but on smart decisions and steady growth. Chapter 1. What is the lottery mindset? Let's start by defining what we mean when we talk about the lottery mindset. Picture this. You see an online ad promising you can make thousands of dollars a day by simply working from your phone. Or you're scrolling through social media, and someone's flashing piles of cash, claiming they made it overnight through some secret investment. Does this ring a bell? That feeling of wow, maybe this is my chance, is the lottery mindset in action. The belief that wealth is just one lucky break away. You don't need to study, plan, or work. You only need to find that golden ticket or secret formula. Maybe it's a viral product, a hot new cryptocurrency, or the actual lottery. It's all the same pattern. Why is this a problem? Because when you're waiting for a miracle, you're not taking the consistent, practical steps required to build true financial stability. You might spend endless time and money jumping from one lucky opportunity to another. And ironically, while chasing these shortcuts, you can burn through your savings faster than if you'd invested wisely in the first place. The lottery mindset can also make you blind to potential scams. When you're fixated on the dream of fast money, you're more likely to trust sketchy offers. After all, they promise exactly what you want. Easy, quick wealth. But as we'll see, easy come, easy go usually applies, if the money ever comes at all. Chapter 2. The allure of fast money. Why we fall for it. We're all human. And humans love instant gratification. Whether it's craving a slice of pizza or hoping for a financial windfall, our brains are wired to seek quick rewards. This is one reason the lottery is so popular. It plays right into that desire for instant success. But it's not just about gratification. There's also the what-if factor that keeps us buying lottery tickets or hopping onto the latest crypto bandwagon. We think, what if this time it's real? What if I'm missing out on the next big thing? Psychologists call this FOMO, or fear of missing out. We see headlines about someone who invested a few dollars in a new coin or stock and then became a millionaire practically overnight. That triggers the thought, if they can do it, why not me? But here's the catch. Stories like that are incredibly rare. For every person who strikes gold, there are thousands who lose everything. Yet, we focus on the one success story because it fuels our excitement. It's like hearing about a person who survived a fall from a plane without a parachute. Yes, it happened, but it's so rare that it's practically a miracle. We also can't overlook the role that social media plays. Platforms like Instagram or TikTok are full of people flaunting designer clothes, luxury vacations, and high-end cars. It's easy to assume they got there through some quick trick rather than years of effort. Or even that some of it's fake until you make it. The more we see these glamorous lifestyles, the more we start to believe that wealth is something that just happens to lucky people rather than the result of careful planning. Chapter 3. The surprising downfall of lottery winners. Let's talk specifically about lottery winners for a moment. You'd think that receiving millions of dollars in a lump sum would solve all your financial problems forever. But studies show that 70% of winners lose or spend all their winnings within about 7 years. And some end up even deeper in debt. How does that happen? Well, money on its own doesn't magically teach you how to handle it. If you don't have a game plan, like a budget, investment strategy, or basic financial knowledge, suddenly having a lot of cash can be overwhelming. Friends and relatives ask for loans or gifts. You're tempted to buy extravagant items, and you might invest in projects without doing enough research. Many winners also assume the money will keep on flowing, so they don't track their spending. They might buy multiple houses, fancy cars, and luxury goods without considering upkeep costs, property taxes, or the potential for real estate to lose value. Over time, the expenses pile up, and before they know it, the money is gone. The heart of the issue is that the lottery mindset doesn't prepare you to manage wealth. You might win a huge sum, but you haven't built the habits and knowledge that help you keep it. Chapter 4. Real-life consequences of chasing shortcuts. It's not just about the lottery, though. The same pattern shows up in everyday life. Maybe you've seen someone go all in on a risky stock tip. They put every dollar they have into a sure thing, only to watch its value plummet. Or maybe you've watched someone jump from one business venture to another, never settling long enough to learn the ropes and build something real. The consequences can be severe. Financial loss, obviously. You can lose a ton of money. But beyond the money itself, there's the stress of dealing with debt collectors, the fear of not being able to pay your bills, and the embarrassment of telling loved ones you've lost everything. Strained relationships, when you're chasing shortcuts. You may borrow money from friends and family, promising you'll pay it back as soon as your big win comes in. If that win never comes, relationships can suffer. Missed opportunities. While you're busy gambling on a big break, you're missing out on the slow, steady methods that genuinely build wealth over time, like consistent investing, developing professional skills, or growing a stable business. The worst part is that chasing shortcuts can become a habit. You lose once, but instead of learning, you chase the next opportunity. Over time, this cycle can drain your resources, leaving you with nothing but regrets. Chapter 5. Shifting to a wealth-building mindset. Alright, so if the lottery mindset is so harmful, what's the alternative? I like to call it the wealth-building mindset. This mindset is about playing the long game, focusing on consistent, healthy financial habits, rather than looking for the next windfall. Here are the core pillars of the wealth-building mindset. Education. The more you learn about personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, taxes, the better decisions you'll make. Consistency. Wealth typically grows over time, not overnight. Making regular contributions to your savings or retirement fund can lead to huge results if you stay patient. Diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one high-risk endeavor, spread it out. Invest in different stocks, bonds, or property, and consider having multiple income streams. Risk management. Sure, you can take some risks, but understand your tolerance. If you're risking money you can't afford to lose, you're asking for trouble. Patience. This is the toughest part because it goes against our love for instant gratification. But real wealth grows in a steady, dependable way, not in a chaotic surge. Chapter 6. The power of compound interest. Let's highlight one of the most powerful tools in slow, steady wealth building: compound interest. It might not sound glamorous, but it's nothing short of magic when you let it work over many years. Imagine you set aside $200 every month into an investment that averages a 7% annual return. After 1 year, you've put in $2,400 of your own money. But as the years pass, not only are you adding $200 each month, your existing savings are earning returns, and those returns earn additional returns, and so on. It's like planting a small tree that grows a bit taller every year, and each new branch produces more branches. Sure, it's slow at first, but give it enough time, 10, 20, or 30 years, and that little seed of savings can become a substantial nest egg, possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars. The problem with the lottery mindset is that it blinds you to the power of consistent action. You might think, $200 a month isn't going to make me a millionaire tomorrow. That's true, but in 20 or 30 years, you might be amazed at what your steady, disciplined approach has built. Chapter 7. Practical steps to break free from the lottery mindset. If you're realizing that you've been trapped by the lottery mindset, don't worry, you're not alone, and it's never too late to change. Here are some practical steps to shift toward a healthier, wealth-building approach. Start tracking your spending. Begin by looking at where your money goes each month. Many people are shocked to discover how much they waste on subscriptions, impulse buys, or dining out. By identifying these leaks, you can free up cash to invest or save. Build an emergency fund. Before you jump into investments, make sure you have 3 to 6 months of living expenses stashed away. This gives you a safety net, so you're not forced to dip into investments or rely on credit cards in a crisis. Set specific goals. Write down your short-term, 1 year, mid-term, 5 years, and long-term, 10+ years, financial goals. Are you saving for a house down payment? Paying off debt? Trying to build a retirement fund? Having clear targets helps you stay focused and motivated. Learn the basics of investing. You don't have to become an expert overnight. Start small, research index funds, understand how stocks and bonds work, and learn about the risk to return ratio. The key is knowing enough to make informed decisions, rather than tossing your money at random opportunities. Diversify wisely. Don't put all your money in one single stock or one type of investment. Look for a mix that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. For example, a portion in stable, long-term assets, and a smaller portion in slightly riskier ventures you believe in. Be patient and stick to the plan. Once you set up a system, like automatic transfers to your savings or investment account, resist the urge to stop or to gamble that money on a high-risk scheme. Remember the story of the tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady usually wins the race. Chapter 8. Real-life examples of steady wealth builders. Need some inspiration? Here are a few examples of people who embraced the wealth-building mindset. Lucy, a school teacher. Lucy started saving just 5% of her paycheck in her mid-20s. Over time, she increased that to 10%. She also put a small monthly amount into a 401k with a company match. By her 40s, Lucy had a solid retirement account and was even able to put a down payment on a second property. No lottery wins, just patience and discipline. Daniel, a freelance graphic designer. Daniel used to hop between jobs, looking for the one that would make him rich. Eventually, he realized real wealth would come from building his skills and reputation. He also began setting aside 20% of every payment he received. Some went into an emergency fund, and the rest went into diversified investments. Over 10 years, Daniel's freelance business flourished, and his investments grew steadily thanks to compound interest. He didn't get famous overnight, but he built a stable life with fewer financial worries. Priya, a single mother. Priya faced challenges raising 2 kids on a modest income, but she refused to chase quick fixes. She tracked every penny she spent, cut down on wasteful habits, and slowly increased her savings rate from 2% to 10%. She learned about index funds and made small, regular investments. After 15 years, she had built up a college fund for her children and grown a comfortable nest egg for her own future. These stories show that ordinary people can achieve real financial success without hitting the jackpot or finding some magical shortcut. It's all about consistency, planning, and a willingness to learn. So, here's the big takeaway. The lottery mindset is a trap. It promises a quick and easy path to riches, but for most people, it ends in heartbreak, wasted money, and lost time. Even those who do get lucky, like lottery winners, often discover that sudden wealth disappears as quickly as it arrived, especially when it's not backed by the knowledge, habits, and planning to manage it. In contrast, true wealth is built over time, brick by brick. It's about understanding your finances, setting realistic goals, making wise investments, and being patient while your money grows. It might sound boring compared to the thrill of a big jackpot, but it actually works, and it's something you can control, rather than waiting for chance to smile upon you. Now, I want you to ask yourself, which path are you on right now? Are you holding out for that one big break? Or are you laying the foundation for real, lasting wealth? If you find yourself chasing quick wins, it might be time to step back, pick up a few books on personal finance, and start building a plan. No matter how far down the wrong road you've gone, you can always turn around. Thank you so much for watching. If this video opened your eyes to the danger of the lottery mindset, please hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's help each other shift toward a healthier, more sustainable approach to money. And if you haven't yet, subscribe for more straightforward, honest talks about finance, personal growth, and success. Remember, true wealth doesn't come from a lottery ticket. It comes from knowledge, discipline, and patience. Embrace that, and your future self will thank you.